It's important to understand that while Milk Maggi is a popular variation of instant noodles, it's a combination of two food items with their own nutritional profiles. Here's a breakdown of potential benefits and considerations. Potential benefits: increased calcium and protein. Adding milk to Maggi noodles increases the calcium and protein content of the meal. Milk is a good source of these essential nutrients, which are important for bone health and muscle development. Fortified nutrients in Maggi. Maggi noodles themselves are often fortified with nutrients like iron and iodine. So when consumed, you will be receiving some of those fortified nutrients. According to information from Nestle, Maggi noodles are fortified with vitamin A, iron, and iodine. Potential for increased satiety. The added protein and fat from milk can contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may help to reduce overeating. Important considerations: sodium content. Instant noodles, including Maggi, are generally high in sodium. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to high blood pressure and other health problems. Processed nature. Instant noodles are a processed food, and regular consumption of highly processed foods is often associated with negative health outcomes. Nutritional balance. While adding milk improves the nutritional profile, it's still important to consider the overall balance of your diet. Relying solely on instant noodles, even with milk, may not provide all the necessary nutrients. Added sugars and fats. Depending on the type of milk that is used, added sugars and fats could be increased. In summary, adding milk to Maggi noodles can increase the calcium and protein content, offering some nutritional benefits. However, it's crucial to be mindful of the high sodium content and the processed nature of instant noodles. A balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods is essential for optimal health. It's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. Thank you for watching the video.